Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use kink Afro bone extension on your hair, how to use it as twisted braid. Watch this video to the end, from how to grip it to how to twist it for you to get the bouncing nation. What we are using here, we are using series extension on this particular hair, how to twist it and how to grip it from the beginning as a beginner. The video is a detailed tutorial from how to grip it tight from the beginning to how to twist it. Watch it to the end. Don't forget to share this video and give me a thumbs up for more tutorials like this. This is the best way to grab extension from the beginning if you want to twist it. I normally say, as a beginner, if you want to twist hair, after wrapping your extension under the hair, make sure you knot it. You can see me, I'm knotting mine this way. As a beginner, it's very good you knot it so that you'll be able to section the hair into two without stress. Now I've finished knotting it. For you to get perfect twist, always remember to twist the extension to the left side, not the right side. Thanks for always watching my video. Enjoy the rest of this video. Please watch it to the end. You will become a pro after watching this video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Love you.